Hello, this is Diwan, and I appreciate you taking the time to explore this product review. Are you ready to take your online business to the next level in 2024? Do you want to access the most powerful and innovative tools that will help you dominate any niche? Then you need the Max and James Holiday Special, a bundle of 20 award-winning programs that will give you an unfair advantage over your competitors. Before we delve into the review, I want to mention that if you're interested in working with your own personal internet marketing coach to guide you in achieving an online income of up to $10,000 per month, check out the first link in the description. Now, let's get back to the review. You can acquire the product through the second link in the description at any point during this video. When you do, I'll provide you with 3 exclusive bonuses that are sure to boost your success to new heights. Bonus number 1. Instagram Growth Strategy Course. Fuel your Instagram success with our exclusive growth strategy course. Gain insights to boost followers, engagement, and brand impact on this influential platform. Bonus number 2. How to make 200 social media posts in 10 minutes using Chat, GPT, and Canva. Effortlessly create 200 compelling social media posts in just 10 minutes. Learn the art of efficient content creation using Chat, GPT, and Canva for a consistently engaging online presence. Bonus number 3. Best Facebook ad strategies for 2024. Master the latest Facebook ad strategies for 2024. Stay ahead with insights into trends, ads formats, and targeting techniques to maximize your impact on the world's largest social network. These bonuses, fresh and exclusive, are only available through my link. While they could easily be valued at hundreds of dollars, I'm offering them to you absolutely free, aiming to help you maximize the potential of the product and enhance your success. I'm here to elevate your game and propel you to new heights. Upon grabbing the product, these bonuses will be automatically delivered to you inside Warrior, Plus, or JV Zoo. Let's now move on to the review. The Max and James Holiday Special is a collection of 20 premium products created by Max Gerstenmeyer and James Renouf, 2 of the most talented and successful online marketers in the industry. These products cover various aspects of online marketing, such as content creation, traffic generation, affiliate marketing, crypto, and more. You will get lifetime access to all of these products, along with some exclusive bonuses that are no longer for sale. The benefits of the Max and James Holiday Special are endless. You will be able to create a digital clone of yourself using AI to do all the work for you. You will be able to bank high ticket commissions using AI to find and close clients for you. You will be able to generate passive income using proven methods and strategies. You will be able to tap into millions of active buyers using secret platforms and hacks. You will be able to leverage the power of crypto using AI to find and trade the best coins, and much more. The Max and James Holiday Special is available for a limited time only and for a one-time payment of just $29. That's right, you can get 20 of the best products of 2023 worth thousands of dollars for less than the price of a pizza. But hurry, this offer will expire soon, and you don't want to miss this opportunity. Click the link below and get instant access to Max and James Holiday Special today. Trust me, you won't regret it.